So hi, welcome all. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Today I am going to discuss about vendor reconciliation account. In SAP, we used to maintain separate accounts for each customer, vendor or asset in the subledger. So at the time of preparation of the financial reports, it will be very difficult to view all the vendors and customers and assets in the reports. So instead of that, we can link each asset, customer and vendor account to the reconciliation account, and we can show that in the balance sheet. So each time we are posting a transaction related to the vendor, it will be reflected to the reconciliation account. Okay, now let's see in SAP how we can create the reconciliation account. So first we will see in account group, which is the number range for current liabilities, because the vendor reconciliation account is a current liability. So for that we will go to the transaction code OBD4. Okay, and I am going to maintain in the ALLO chart of accounts. Here we can give, you can see that the current liabilities is 2700 to 2800. Now we will go to FS00. So I am giving 2750. Okay, then create. The account group we have to give is current liabilities, and it's a balance sheet account. Here we will define the vendor reconciliation account, and then go to control data. Here the account currency is INR. Don't take the only balances in local currency. Then go to reconciliation account for account type, which is vendors. Then we can click the line item display. Then sort key. So I want the reports according to the posting date. Then go to create bank interest. Here I have to maintain the field status group. So for the reconciliation account, the field status group we have to give is reconciliation, which is G067. Okay. Then we will save this. So your reconciliation account has been created. I think you understood this concept. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.